Powder-coated metal funnel and spinner plate for most Moultrie feeders. Also compatible with most competing models. Wind and rust-resistant spin plate protects against corrosion. 4 outlets reduce clogs while dispensing the same amount of feed in half the time. Top reviews from the United States. Good replacement for old spinner. I was gifted a feeder spinner, but the plastic funnel had been damaged by a squirrel. This metal funnel and better quality spinner fit perfectly, and spins the corn out efficiently. I feel like it actually spins out more corn than the original, as the timer shows there should be more in the hopper than there is. Or it could be that I have thieves climbing up and getting their little paws into my spinner. XD